You want to hear some good immigration news? I got a success story. I'm going to explain why and how, and so watch all the way to the end. My name is John Ting. I practice immigration law, helping you secure your legal status to live and work in America legally. Okay, so I had a court case that started in about circa 2015-ish, and it's so long ago that it's now 2024, so nearly a decade later, okay? Got the court case dismissed today. There's a lot of moving parts that happen pretty quickly. I'll show you the proof. I'll show the receipts. Online, it showed dismissed, okay? All right, so many years ago, we actually had the trial. We did about, I guess you could say, halfway through. We conducted the trial. It was for asylum. We don't help with asylum anymore. We can't refer you to another attorneys, by the way. And we rested the case. You know, if you think like criminal defense, criminal case, we rested. We did our part. Then it was the government attorney's next step, okay? So I didn't only just ask for dismissal. That was in the alternative. The first thing was to ask for a stipulation to an approval, a grant of asylee status. And this is what I did next. But in this scenario, I asked for both. I didn't do this like phone tag or email tag, waiting for an email a couple times with attorney, government attorney, because I know they have limited time. So I asked also in the same email an alternative, join our motion to dismiss. Within about 30 minutes to an hour, this attorney, government attorney, signed off on that joint motion to dismiss. So this is great news for the client. It wasn't so much that the client did not want the case dismissed, but come to find out after a couple of meetings, we understood why the client was initially against it. And they thought that there was no future opportunity to do anything. So what happens now is that for asylum case, you can still refile the application to the Heart Center, okay? The Heart Service Center that's based in Georgia. So here's the other thing. We got that agreement yesterday. I thought, okay, I could ask my buddies up in Dallas to deliver it to court. But then I realized with traffic and everything that actually overnighting it FedEx to the court would be actually faster for it to be delivered before 9 a.m. Then sure enough, it was actually signed fairly quickly by the judge and then updated online within 2 hours, the first 2 hours of a workday. So if you're wondering what's the difference between lawyer A and lawyer B or law firm A and law firm B, this is it. This is why I share these type of situations behind the scenes so you can understand. That is likely not able to find that information in a Google review, but please check out our 5-star Google review. So if you have a situation where you have a court case, maybe you have an asylum application on file, maybe you got a petition or another application on file, and you're thinking, I wonder if green card guys could try to get this dismissed. I can't guarantee for you, but we'll definitely evaluate it and speak with you and give you the best case scenario and the worst case scenario. So go ahead and bookmark, share it, and click follow. And click on the LINK to schedule a meeting.